Are you an owner of agricultural and construction machinery or deals in its spare part or repair ACCON machines? Are you finding it difficult to find the right spares at the right time and price for the upkeep and maintenance of ACCON machine and equipments? Seethal Agri Farms and Equipments through its online distributor platform SafeSpareOnline.com helps you with upkeep and maintenance by providing genuine and OEM standard spares for your ACCON machine. There are multiple advantages of using Safe Spare Parts. SafeSpareOnline.com will register the details of your ACCON machine and display spares specific to that machine. You can add any number of machine, request us to add new brands and new machines. We keep records of your last purchases as well. We equip you with the correct knowledge about your machine and provide competitive prices and doorstep delivery also. SafeSpareOnline.com is a new marketplace and we are here to stay and change the industry. Our family is in this business for over 60 years. We have a perfect team procuring, warehousing, accounting, financing, marketing, logistics, and after sales for catering to our consumer needs. SafeSpareOnline.com is committed to bring revolution in spare parts industry and provide our consumers with right spares at right time and price. Thank you for your time. Register now and follow us for more information.